Hey guys, I'm Banks Blizzard here at the Cameron Village store, and I'm gonna dive into one of the DIY Watch Club kits today. So right off the bat, you get a discount card and just some information on the watch. And then you have the strap, you get the movement, the bezel and the case, cushion, and then in these two pouches are some tools, the case back removal tool, duster, and a loop. So I'm gonna take some of this stuff out and get started. So I've got all my parts out, so it looks like we've got all of our tools up here. Came with some Rodico and some screwdrivers, case back removal tool, some tweezers. Looks like there's two sets of hands that you can choose to apply. I've got the case and the bezel. Got a loop, duster, the movement, case back opener tool, and the strap. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. So it looks like there's a screw down crown, which is nice on a diver, which is what this is. Got the movement here. So yeah, I'm gonna work on applying the dial now. And that dial has two little feet that just press in to these two little holes. So now that I've got the dial on, I'm gonna dust it off a little bit because I see there's a little bit of dust on it. And if that's not enough, I'm gonna come in with my Rodico over here, get that little piece of dust off, just like that. All right, now I'm gonna come in next and apply the hands. It appears that the hour hand goes on first. All right, now that it feels like that's firmly pressed on, I'm gonna set that to 12. Now I'm gonna get my minute hand. I'm getting the minute hand applier tool. And then with the second hand, you kind of just put that on the needle in the middle. Now I'm gonna press that on with the same tool. All right, now it's ticking. All right, so now that that's done, it's time to put the movement in the case. So I'm making sure one of those holes on the side is aligned so we can put the new crown back in. And then I'm putting the inside bezel back on, just like that. And then I'm gonna dust that back off. I'm going to put the case over it, just like that. Then I'm gonna come in with my crown on the side, try to get that lined up. I'm gonna push that through, just like that. So now I'm gonna put this gasket back in. On dive watches, there are grooves that it fits in on the case back itself. And so I'm just making sure that that's in that groove before I put the case back on. One important thing to do while screwing a case back on is to screw it counterclockwise until you hear it click in to the actual into the actual thread, so you don't accidentally cross thread it. So like that right there, and then now you can start closing it up like that. So there's our watch. Now we're gonna put the bezel on. It appears that this one has some double-sided tape on the back. So we're just gonna peel that off with our tweezers. And then we're gonna press it on. Get it lined up just like that. Make sure it's good. All right, so now I'm gonna put on the straps. So these come with the quick adjust lugs. So you can just remove them and put new lugs back in if you want. So it'll go like that. So I'm gonna put one side of the strap in like this. Then just put that lug in like that. And then I'm gonna put the next one in like that. And push down this little bar right here. Then now the watch is finished. It's definitely a good kit for people that are getting into watches. I think it gives a deeper appreciation to what you're actually wearing. So, yeah.